Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we will see what is the difference between finally and finalize method. So final is the modifier in Java and we use this modifier with variable, method and classes. So if we declare variable as a final, then no one can change its value, it will become constant. If we declare method as a final, then no one can't override that method. And if we declare any class is a final, then no one can't extend that class. So in that case, inheritance is not possible. So here few declaration you see. First is static final string company name equal to ABC. So this is a final variable and here company name as a ABC, so we can't change it. Second is a final method, public final void display method. So here we have declared it this method as a final, so we can't override in a child class. Third, we have declared class as a final, so this class no one can't extend. If any class try to extend, then that class will get an exception. It's not possible. Okay, so next we will see what is a finally. It's a block and it's associated with try catch, and finally block executed if exception occur or not occur doesn't matter for it. It always execute. The main purpose of this block to write the cleanup code. For example, if we open database connection in try block and if any exception occur in between, then it directly goes to catch block and the database connection is still open. So we need to close that database connection. So we can write the cleanup code for the closing that database. We can write in a finally block. So it will do that cleanup activity for us. And we cannot use or we cannot write finally block alone. It always should be with the try catch, else with the try. So here you can see the example in figure A, try catch and finally. So finally is with try and catch block, and in second figure finally is associated with only try. So it is also possible. This is also valid syntax. And in figure C we have just written finally, there is a no try or a catch, so this syntax is invalid. So I hope you people understood, right? Third one is a finalize method. So this method is called by garbage collector, and when this method called by garbage collector, when there is like a object and that object is garbage collector wants to destroy, so before that destroy, garbage collector will call this method to clean up whatever resources are assigned to those object. It will clean up all. So for that purpose this finalize method we will use. So as you have seen, finally block and finalize method both are associated or these are meant for a cleanup activities. So people get confused like if finalize method and finally block does the same task, then why we use these both methods like differently. So suppose if any connection open, for example database connection as a part of try block, then finally block is used to clean up those resources. But if any resources related to object, then we need to clean up those resources with the help of finalize method. So this is the difference, like finally is related to try catch block. It will just clean up those resources. And finalize method is used to clean up the resources which is related to object. So this is the final difference between these two, finalize and finally block. So I hope you people get better understanding between the final, finally, and finalize. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe.